A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 4 on differentiation topic. Today we'll be doing composite function, derivative of composite function or chain rule. So let us begin derivative of composite function or chain rule. Derivative of composite function or chain rule. If y is equal to fu and u is equal to gx be two differential functions, then prove that dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. See, y depends upon x, y depends upon u and u depends upon x. Let delta x be a small increment in x and let corresponding, if there is increment delta x in x, there will be increment delta u in u because u depends upon x. Corresponding increment in u be delta u, and if there is increment delta u in u, there will be increment delta y in y, and hence let corresponding increment in y be delta y. As delta x tends to 0, delta u also tends to 0. If there is no increment in x, there will be no increment in u also. In usual notation means as usual, हमेशा की तरह, delta y by delta x is what? Delta y by delta u into delta u by delta x. Delta u cancel, you get delta y by delta x. Taking limit as delta x tends to 0, we get limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta u into delta u by delta x. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta u into limit delta u by delta x. In this case, in denominator delta x and delta x is approaching to 0. Delta x is approaching to 0. Whereas here in denominator we have delta u, whereas delta x is approaching to 0. We want delta u also tends to 0. So limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x, limit delta u tends to 0, into limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. Write this as equation number 1. Reason: as delta x approaches to 0, delta u also approaches to 0. Now it is given y is a differential function of u and u is differential function of x. Since y is given to be differentiable function of u and u is given to be differentiable function of x, therefore limit delta u tends to 0, delta y by delta u and limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta x, both will exist and limit delta u tends to 0, delta y by delta u, dy by du, and limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta x. Since both the limits on right hand side of equation 1 exist, therefore limit on left hand side of equation 1 will also exist and limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. Therefore equation 1 becomes dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. These are formulas which we derived. You can go through it. Next heading is what? This is method 1. Y is equal to root x square plus 5. Let u is what? X square plus 5. So y will become root u. Now y is a function of u. So differentiating with respect to u. So derivative of y with respect to u is what? 1 upon 2 root u. Now after taking derivative of y with respect to u, replace the value of u. 1 upon 2 root u is what? X square plus 5. Since u is what? u is a function of x. So differentiating with respect to x. So du by dx is what? 2x plus 0 is equal to 2x. Since derivative of y with respect to x is what? Derivative of y with respect to u into derivative of u. Derivative of y with respect to u is what? 1 upon 2 root. Into derivative of u with respect to x is what? 2x. Will give you x upon root. If we keep on doing like this, then it will become lengthy. So there is another simple method. Since y is what? A root of x square plus 5. So it is root, then x square plus 5 comes. Root, then x square plus 5 comes. Outside is what? Root. So we'll differentiate root or derivative of root. Now here we are differentiating directly with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x. First you take derivative of root. Derivative of root is what? 1 upon 2 root. Whatever inside is there, keep as it is, into derivative of inside function. 1 upon 2 root to x plus 0. 2 cancel, x upon root. X square plus 5. Next example is y is x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. While taking derivative of composite function, we take derivative from outside to inside. हम लोग बाहर से अंदर आते हैं, ठीक है? तो y is what? y is पहले हम पावर का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, dy by dx is what? 5 times x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 into derivative of inside function. d by dx of x cube minus 2x 5 times x cube derivative of x cube is what? 3x square minus 2 into 1 minus 0. 5 into into 3x square minus 2. Y is equal to 2x raised to 3 by 2, 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 raised to 5 by 2. From outside is what? Power. So first we'll take derivative of power. Power comes in product power minus 1. dy by dx is what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 1 is what? Into derivative of inside function. 4 by 3 minus 5. 5 by 2, 2x raised to, into derivative of inside function is what? 2x raised to 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 times derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 times 4 by 3 x raised to 4 by 3 minus 1 is what? Minus derivative of 5 0. 5 by 2, 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 2 cancel. Raised to 3 by 2 is there. Y is what? Cos of x square plus a square. Since y is what? Cos of differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is what? Derivative of cos minus sine, whatever angle is there, keep as it is, into derivative of angle. Minus sine two x plus 0. Next is y is what? Root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of root is what? 1 upon 2 root. E raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. This is derivative of root into derivative of inside function. Plus 5. 1 upon 2 root three x plus 2 plus 5. Derivative of e is what? E only. whatever power is there, keep as it is into derivative of that power. Plus derivative of phi is what? 0. So 1 upon 2 root e raised to 3x plus 2. Derivative of 3x plus 2 is what? 3 plus 0. 3 e raised to 3x plus 2 upon 2 root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Y is what? Log 10x by 2. Outside is log. So first we'll take derivative of log. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of log is what? 1 upon inside function 10x by 2 into d by dx of log के जो अंदर है 10x by 2. 1 upon 10 is what? Cot. Derivative of 10 sec square into derivative of x by 2. Cot is what? Cos upon sine into sec square is what? 1 upon derivative of x by 2 is what? 1 by 2. One cos will get cancelled. 1 upon 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 is what? 1 upon sin x, which is cosec x. Y is log of log x square. So first you take derivative of power, differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of power comes in product. Raised to 2 minus 1 into derivative of inside function log of log x 2 times log of log x Derivative of log is 1 upon. This is derivative of log into derivative of inside function. Which is nothing but 2 times log x upon derivative of log is what? 1 upon. 1 upon this log into derivative of log x. Upon log x is a smaller term, so write first. A numerator will remain as it is. 2 log of log x into derivative of log x is what? So finally we are getting x log x into log of 2 log of log x is the answer. Y is what? 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3. Phi raised to sine cube x. This is a raised to x type. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is what? Derivative of a raised to x is what? A raised to x log a. So 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 log 5 into derivative of sine cube x plus 5. First take derivative of power. 3 sin x raised to 2 into d by dx of plus 0. 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 log 5. 3 sin square x. Derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. नेवर गिव अप. कभी भी किसी चीज को आपने ठान लिया है उसको छोड़िए मत. दिल से ठान के रखो. सक्सेस हमेशा आपके कदम चूमेगी. बीच में घबराना नहीं. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.